When you rely on engine system equipment from Mitsubishi Heavy Industries Engine System Asia, you're entrusting your operations to a standard of excellence. Count on our service team at MHI-ESG to not just meet, but exceed your expectations. Whether it's routine service, critical repairs, or innovative solutions, we're here for you every step of the way. With a blend of expert on-site and online service, we ensure that your engine system equipment is always ready when you need it, allowing your team to focus on operational excellence without disruptions. Our extensive parts network, with tens of thousands of parts strategically stocked in warehouses, allows swift access to essential components. At MHI-ESG, we never rest when it comes to energy solutions. Your success is our priority, and we're dedicated to delivering excellence every day.